Hey, legend, let's get real for a sec. You got into trade to work with your hands and build something solid and have a crack at making some good coin. But hey, no one handed you a playbook on how to do the business right. And that's where most tradies go wrong and they get themselves into all sorts of trouble because they were not given a playbook on how to build a successful and profitable trades business. A lot of tradies think that being good on the tools means they'll be good at business. Spoiler alert, it doesn't mean that at all. Running a business is a completely different beast. Suddenly, you're wearing 15 hats: quoting, cash flow, hiring, firing, HR, chasing debt, tax, accounting, you name it. But here's the truth. Most tradies are going to wait until they're drowning before they put their hand up. And it's probably too late. There's a lot of work to do once that happens. This is where a specific business coach can come in handy. It's not some corporate wanker in a suit who's never stepped on site, some university student who's done a business degree. It's someone who really gets it, someone who's been where you are, who's built it themselves, and they've got the battle scars to prove it. A good coach is going to give you three things. They're going to give you clarity on where you're headed and how to get there. They're going to give you some structure around systems, tools, and real plans that can actually work. They're going to keep you accountable to all of the things that you say you're going to do, and they're not going to put up with your bullshit. And they're going to help keep you moving forward. The reason being is because if they put up with your bullshit, you're going to stay stuck in the same place. You don't need to figure it all out on your own. There's people that have already done this for you, and we ourselves have put this into a step-by-step plan and a program that you can follow to get shit done. You don't need more hours. You don't need better systems, better margins, and a clear plan to scale without burning out. That's what I do. That's how I help you. I coach tradies just like you to build stress-free, profitable businesses that don't rely on them being on the tools 7 days a week. It's actually a choice you can have if you want to go on the tools or not. If you're sick of spinning your wheels, it might be time for a different approach. Just shoot me a message. Let's have a yarn and see if I can help, because no one builds a bulletproof trades business alone. I know because I've been there and I've tried it and it didn't work.